Hello, Rhys Evans here. It's an honour and a pleasure to be able to support Tarian Cymru in their campaign to ensure that our frontline care and health workers in Wales receive the necessary PPE equipment quickly and promptly.
As a doctor currently working in Morriston Hospital, I support Tarian Cymru because protecting our key workers in Wales is so important for keeping everyone safe and winning the fight against COVID.
Dwi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru gant y cant.
Fi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru. I support Tarian Cymru.
Justy Wade, dwi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Dwi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Dwi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru. Plis gnewch eitha'r un fath a rhoi mor hael a gallwch chi ar yr adeg holl bwysig yma o ran yr ymgyrch.
Fi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Fel doctor sy'n gweithio yn y gymuned, fi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru achos mae'n cael y PPE cywir i staff allu cario ymlaen i edrych ar ôl y cleifion sydd wedi effeithio gyda coronavirus a wneud ni trwy aros mor saff as sy'n bosib mor bwysig.
Da ni'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Dwi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Dwi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Dwi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Helo, Carwyn Ellis yma. Mae yna brynder difrifol iawn o offer gwarchadol i weithwyr iechyd a gofal yma yng Nghymru. Mae Tarian Cymru yn gwneud rhywbeth am hyn, a maen nhw'n gwneud e nawr. Dyna pam dwi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru. Please rowch at yr achos.
A huge thank you, Tarian Cymru. The PPE you're distributing is not only valuable to us as people who work within the healthcare system, but also for our patients. Thank you so much.
Da ni'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Diolch am y holl waith da chi'n neud pob lwc ta.
Diolch yn fawr.
Pob lwc i chi, hwyl fawr.
Dwi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Fi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Hello, I'm Cara Soleri and I'm a proud supporter of Tarian Cymru, a shield for the healthcare workers here in Wales.
Dwi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Dwi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Dwi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Dwi'n cefnogi Tarian Cymru.
Cefnogwch Tarian Cymru. Neu byddwn ni'n hala Boys Road.
The blossoms bloom.